Messi shows his genius again. Real Madrid 0, Barcelona 2.
To Fabregas, Messi, big game. Messi follows up and it's 2-1.
Xavi, Iniesta, Messi la frontal, contra el hueco, va a disparar, se mete en el área, sigue Leo.
Sakwa we na John the Baptist didn't run so anymore. Yes, Christo car said, we need me double so many. And na blight ya can win FM. Say, Najima need a double so many. And Tizo say, blight in wa. Najima, Yameba, Tinam, BBR to say yes to Christo and Yankopon, and even the Befa, Aquati Atone also. Najima, yet you won't, Najani Pabi, Aquanin Tone, you fair. Najima, Yankopon, Vanqua, Yamin.
Okay, no me and Sabo upon Sima Dumie, no high in 104.5 FM. Yasaba, and no penal senke de power sports na de baba yentimi amfa power sports no amma because na Ghana man penini His Excellency Nana Adodan Kwaku na or say utimi ekomra shebedwom eko deliver the State of Nations address no na Ghana man yina si hu said ye man no esi konti awie yatena si de na chese agudie hu nsem ene de ba in the next one na yatena si no 9 ene be sorry e de afidie ni so na abadwafo nyina wa ha kwabena obena fie obi try so asanso na Christian edu say enso so e wa ha ena Bismarck osu bempa Ayala enso so e wa ha na awie yebedi nkomo e de afa no a Ghana Premier League match day 11 games a eno etimi to dwa eno adan yatena si ye ba bedi hu nkomo eno eno ma ekoso e wo Doma Stadium o Bra Sante Koroko ene Aduana Stars nyina e decide say on best start game no with 10 men na Aduana Stars e di place do Ejina Park so na Asante Koroko so di place do Ejina Park so na chese ayensem pia no pay amomo akabia yatena se de ho nsem eba of course Kumasa Asante Koroko so no Executive Chairman Dr. Kwame Chei eden sema hodo de atudwa na yatena se de sansensem nyina ede ba Dr. Akasa ede afada kwaja chi project no hom project na oso wo hwese jam ya doma the next Asante Koroko home games no wo mo ebetimi ayusu ni nyina no wakasa ede afa sansensem nyina ho a awie yatena se de ho nsem ede ba and of course former referee waye retired referee Joseph Wellington wakasa ede afa eno ade course ewo Doma Stadium no referee ede ho nsem ede tudwa awie yatena si ebra ni suade ba de be force bia se betime di nsema hodo a egu ya ni be betime di hu komsansa no pay ye nya time ama na ebra so bema ye be hwese bia betime akwa ahoma no se na enkomo no ye di 1 or 2 bi enso ewo ahoma no sinti enche obete abadwafo nyina enka ewa but before some bebem no ye betietie enkomo kakra no timi course ewo Doma eno ansem pi ena course Doma utie Maxwell Konadu ena utie coach ane din ede W Tano Aduana Stars head coach no ono so e de nsem e de tudwa de ntia saa two coaches yi omo nyina decide say game aye kobo na obia e de 10 men e be start game no ya yebetie omo nsem no kakra ma so kono de kura de ebusa no se de nti e na eno Asante Koroko mo bobo na mo de place makoma kudu e na start game no ma so kono de na ne yansa no e yetiawa okiremu a oso no de ontimi enchere di nti a eno akra no ode sa players makoma ko 10 no start game no yentie ni kan ntima so kono du ensema ode atudwa.
Now, before you go there, tell me this. What was the decision to have begun the game with 10 men apiece?
I can't explain that.
Maxwell kono du so ontimi nchirim also ntimi nchirim okay ye be hwese de ye betimi a chirim antia no yensema coach Maxwell Konadu ede etudwa ena ye de ho nsem enso so ede amamona ye bekọ Aduana Stars for nso so head coach so yebusa no se ede enti ena nso so start 10 players e wo game nim na ye enti coach no.
Yes, you must believe the other things off the pitch. It is not part of the pitch. They came and decided not to play 11 aside. Better known to them. So we also decided that let's also short and play 1-on-1. So the first 5 minutes, you notice that we played 1 against 1. And later on we relaxed. When we brought off Bright, we wanted them to come. So you notice that our team came back and we were rather playing. So in the second half, they brought all their men. You notice that they brought on Okra to come and play from the wings. They brought on others to come and do what they are good at. But we told them that we are the better side.
All right, I mean, some W Tano Aduana Stars head coach, and so the etudwa, but then you know, no say Asante Koroko team no would say and run a day and obesha kotoko.
Yes, I knew that I would not go without any points, and like we spoke earlier, I knew that I was going to beat Kotoko, and that has been my wish. I wanted to prove to people that it is not papers that we talk, but character and tactics.
All right, and in summer, Coach W.O. Tando, Eddie Etuga. Now, Yanko referee or a retired referee, Joseph Wellington. Referee, so Yakobusan say, and no dear course or domano on what the referee pay or Ghana. A dear course or domana, dear Sam Wakadia, for the Nensemo Kenyan, say, a dear Kotokone, a Diana Stasi, and the Okombrema, or more Enfumumbra, Nimum, dear Koyan and Kayi.
Referee no dey allow a maximum of 11 players and a minimum of 7 players, which includes a goalkeeper. 7 players, which includes a goalkeeper, and said 6 outfield players and 1 identified as a goalkeeper, and it's allowed by law to start again. And to the Omuya and Rano, referee no to be cancer. Omuya no 11. Mra say if a ban crabo say Obikura 10, no Obikura 7, which of course includes the goalkeeper there of a starting game. I be there. Who now what decided say 11. No me person me bought 11, person me bought 10, and I'm person me bought 9. No, the referee knew all to be say crowd. Or both teams have not flouted any of the law. Lottery. Both teams have not flouted it. And they are now quite maybe a possible remark. Be now comment to say, at the start of the game, no, team A and team B decided to play 10. Yes, that comment is there for the FA who sent you to know what actually happened. You were pushing be a possible remark. And the honor now they say, at the start of the game, both teams decided to play 10 against 10. And now better. To me explain it because only
okay, referee Joseph Wellington, retired referee, or say ultimate crochet ewo ho. And me and some referee no ede etu na Asante Kotoko executive chairman Dr. Kwame Chei na Anopo Kasai ewo Asempa FM 1 crying. Na Dr. Kwame Chei say coach Efen Maxwell Kunodu enyo no and I said you or channel players are almost start game and woman also mutana bench na enno akwade e course so ewo domano ono ankasa kwa na ni echi
nye bibia MC chairman betimi aye so be maso obefa aduma no the selection na me yema no what you say maybe wo bibia maybe see say me debate timi eche empire board me debate e me na mo ne me bo kasa se sia na me ye no me wa de koja achi me ye aduma bibia e bobo e bo kra na ni bi what you say ya se sia no no ho adwen na me wo a me no if you know and you na me tia de koja ya me so so be nye bibia aja so me betimi abo e bo so mo we se be di ba mu de nye bibia go maso me timi expression. It means some Una Yena Mono, Tunchu here, say Crony betting your cost. It's normal beer, me see a win. They say, what is here, the Quadachi? I met the Kebiata, all catch supporters no one so. Like I come about Basuka, nobody amounted now no prayer here. Said Doma, the baby and the betting could do say baby a more community could die more, but the baby as soon as letting me to now say, Sebi, Mamma from Takana, Mohone beer. It do baby as Sebi Monakacha, but you know, yes, go your penny crana. Said, you'll be young.
You, Dr. Kwame Chei, and so at the end, na doctor say, Juju, a do at the bobo dear. On the end, any home, until a drew say will be a quay, do be a quay, do yenny, and free football.
Yeah, my dear, then I baby, I bet you city, sweet me, and your baby, a boy, a born on him. So, Tina, the echoes you have a kind of Tiara. So, I'm not a cost project. Yeah, near, you know, so far, Yamoya, you are an agent, and I'm a dear, the contractor, I'm a dear, Manama, meaning on the low. So, if you want to say, so, week at Karam, come away. So, very supported the Liberty, no beer or more beer, which in your boy, I'm here to do. Here, pass the piano. I dear here, come over to your boy, and I don't quite Edmana, go get tonight. So Momo de Asamu betting a boy. So Kamadi Kaka, some ball and you know the bubble. What does it? And yet, Mrs. Bomb Pie area, the Akano. I do be away now Bomb Pie area, the Akano. So I knew one. Send the Oye in Nano. Oh, you know, no, somebody there. A Kenny football Mukaka. That is why your football betting a cost. Because I don't at the Bobo as a Kenya. Yeah, Kanya for Academia. Money and money keyboard football. Football team because because unko who be say order. Yes, Africa I may say, but and they be into.
All right, and we and some Dr. Kwame Chei to Jabat Osaka sa the father Kwajachi project no home. Say also say Nyamia Duman Kabia Kotoko betimi abon the next game no ewa da Kwajachi. Ina eho no so far Jumana o ka say omo contractors na ade eye nti doctor e the update e the aba.
You go show the me ado adwana even the hono kwa say switch this for stadium any crowd you na the koja so defense hono kwa Abraham say stadium na yi security ne bi ya kwa na me start fence hono pitch na me MTF for kabo mu a pitch na ba ko ni but afena say start fence hono ye go so meeting because no any the area and the ni the BNU problem beyond this. I'm what they say, I'm what they look at the donations. The more they need to pay. Okra, more the premier. But that one's a more will be 5,000 you will be. I'm saying that one.
You any ansama Dr. Kwamichi Asante Koroko executive chairman and so editu Ghana and no Mamisisi score lines in so ansana bedwafo bem Ghana Premier League match day 11 and no games to Ghana and no ewo doma sa game kuriye Diana Stars etne fie Asante Koroko shene kaba kwa wentimi anti as gold and so tene fie ewo Boase Linkle e Dreams FC 1-0 and Techiman so no 11 wonders etne fie any West Africa Football Academy Wafa Ebo 1-1 Elmina Sharks so tene fie ewo Elmina Dwarfs SN 1-0 and Intala so tene fie Emma Mediema kwoshe ni 2-1 Karela United tene fie ne Hearts of Oak ebo 0-0 na sa match no has for head coach IFN ni Odum Edward ni Odum they all can say Enra Emrante no born no boy ne de omo according to the instructions no yenti ni Odum.
The system is our normal game we have been playing. We have been playing the 4-2-1-3, 3 strikers at a goal. Oh yes, they play to instructions, but only we created the chances as normally we have been doing, but we could not finish.
All right, and some coach Edward Niodum editu Ghana ebusa ne say Hatsofo you say Kamia Kwese as a strikers no go hye ho ya yomodin kakra no so ogusu a wo ye ho adwuma.
I think it's about composure of the boys in the box, and I think I've started something doing every day. The strikers train 1 hour before the main training starts, so I think it will come.
You and me and Sama efi Accra Hearts of Oak head coach na so e babriye ka say Premier League in games kakra kemene games miensa na akemiye ka say ni nyina hyase Bechem United and Liberty Professionals na ebo ewo Bechem na afi Olympics enso tifie ene Brekum Chelsea ebo na afi Ken Pfizer enso ewo Boase Linkle eni nyina enim say Babayera Stadium no ya closing it down ti Ken Pfizer ewo Boase ene Legon City FC ena ede abon bright ebo atela boko de eno ade akoso odoma no minim se bia Ghana ha ya bobo ama ona ye historian ninim se ya bobo kurum ha ama bia 2 teams ye she game na se no bia the 10 players each and I start by before so bokoso no ena ye opaki collection ena ni birthday enti ba bia opaki wo bia ma me na happy birthday Pacman ewo Virginia ho asafo no na ho na opaki wonti BYT ebiasi pen
ebiasi ba wonim
ebiasi pen ye bobo Ghana League na 2 teams obia the 10 na start wonim BBNC
wonim first time ahon kuma so kure bi sisa na involve Kotoko 87 Kotoko ne kuma pem ba da match no na Kofi Badu ye start ball no oni park no so yes wanya ntie se the wife ewo hospital to
Kofi Badu
no a former Kotoko player so that time on line up no the lives of goalkeeper Kofi Usuru no mo Karim Zito those days and players are naka ebewura park no so no opoku adima duro mo eba pitch no so no na ye hwehwe Kofi Badu a na ye hunu nti ekoba asa ne se asisie mamu no enza data na nye na old division league tie yi Kotoko so player ba ku sinchen that time na John Sean coach kuma pem na Kotoko coach enso e manager be eti one player so tranche ko pem say obaye na omu nyina hyase esa be wuram esi aka buy a famous match bibi sa si ye pa na nwanwa Ghana ha pa e Kotoko no has
omienu su 10 place
19th April and not so 19th February day no 19th day of the month 19th April 1998 Kotoko house match ewa Accra Sports Stadium yes ase no na abeto ja say wa be shase 11 no ube lusu match no eti Kotoko
19 say
1998
Kotoko ne ase bi
wa be shase first no ube lusu match no enti ekoba say 2 teams na ba be gina ho aka say players no baako betu asi pitch no so na ye na say team no 11 players na di ka step e wo pitch no so say team ni be lusu e na kotoko say da omo nkonti they let Lawrence Anan so what indeed that yeah e say waka ba bi ono e kotoko player wo say onsi park no so sanso na abranti ya di yan so de Jacob Nate so ka Jacob Nate won so say house for say won so nkan atama Lawrence Anan be si park no so no aba so ya shaba na say 10 ni mu a 4th minute and na Emmanuel Yate pan na tena kasa go na go to lead still kotoko nsi so has nsi so but 35 minutes time and a has player no so say the aduru no de omo no ya so omo etia den ya no so beba enu nim time o see park no so na Lawrence Anan so see park no so no ball na nkoya amfa ma 2 players ni nyina and especially Jacob Nate yes omo tra bench Jacob Nate ebe hwie puto second half no ne yi film and na di Joan Sabaya 50th minute and or take can for us and now what somebody say said yeah Emmanuel Yate eyi ball enya opportunity e pega ball no to atenam no similar a year na house so Abrante fa Joan Sa eso dey take can 50th minute so you bow here na say Constant Mantia consider that goal no am na 1-1 so 1-1 and e dey pon sa match na two teams no yes ade bi Joan so ne Gambol Blast aye bi pen enso e wo Cape Coast and yenya has Joan match so anche bia almost yes ase no na 2 players no has so mafia manwuram by ye ball no and I say yes referee ne pass ball na 2 teams no and 2 players no enso ewura park no so anu ade na first of its kind obi baka say 45 minutes enya dia 2 players no see park no so after 45 minutes achi and 2 players no see park no man unique ewo de asi nyina esa say bi e bo be 10 ana ye bo 4 na fe agiga na ba akokọ ba we de 45 crying na second half pana 2 players ne ba de a eno e ma ne be ya nwasem ye pa enso ewo eye da famous match eno so etime ba so 85 nana sunyan bono BA United Bofakata no 85
hold on na me nin komo be sima enum bimra me kodoma na me ne Aduana Stars PRO Ivan Sopon Maestro edin komo Maestro ho ye
ana pato no ho ye pa
doma boko de
oh ya ho ye ja ya din kurima kodoko so de ba bia ni je nko
and say after victory no time na go ne buy no na mo expect say time ne say go ne be ba because over time na come here ko say ka game na ko paya ne sana sa go ne buy mo you surprised
ye mo bia painting ne ni say dey be say kotoko but the supporters they are more surprised na majority of them appear kwa bonten na omo pie me catch wana fa go ko obehu go no TV so actually why eti me kan kwa mano kwansi e na ball no koto net na yenim se kotoko be show mo na mi je so travel deep into the night better 4 a.m. that's the man for sport e jo mo ni
enra Aduana Stars share kotoko no as at 4 a.m. ahomachi na mo jimo no sport
na obi agina ni na feeling e great
ahomachi for na doma for da so jiwo mani
nana yama ya France na kwa hunyenya mache for obeka ya 1 week ni agina ni bia mpenso obeka the advance for the 3-1 say team bia share 5 na Liberty even kotoko any heart of meeting magazine no omoko adini South Kola ni bida ndi 1 week yama mo sun adi awe ho o makomamu na eni hweye enti gundiri bae no na yina na se edi ho jim na mo jo moni
yo na ade ba ko asese jim na okuri mu ye eno a game amo start ye na Aduana Stars e de 10 players start kotoko de 10 players next start ne questions among for them bremi nyina ne say time akotoko decide say obebo 10 against 11 adenti na Aduana mo so man decide say mo 11 against 10
sportsmanship football is about fairness football is about sportsmanship eniado William kotoko for yemuso mo abre ba bi o mo ko fire na na so ni do man group ba bi a o mo ko fire from brekum o man fa won fie am fa wona for me pin do ma I just 30 minutes drive o mo ko fa 130 kilometers mum o mo twa 1.5 hour on the road e ko fa sam futu kwan ne so no na e fi se William ba mo abre entino omo player back ma tientwe pta na ondimi se bi na sia sportsmanship beni adoneye sabi yen start with 10 players na yen fan show don fa mo se ba bi mo fire no mabre na afiji kura no na before this game no na obi e kan Ghana se ko ba se dia na be break record no because Liberty at 5 today you say dia be ko no mo pese show mo ne clean note no obi nkonya excuse enkotena mo powerful platform mission ko ka se Kodokoba no bought 10 against 11 it's a dinner start for show mo ndi na 10-10 11-11 dia and they show mo na obi any excuse agopamana na edit starting winner enti na ni na kan obi na ide ye hu omo ba say o omo abrenti no yen started with omo started time yen started time this second half na ye hu say ye scarf na ya ka tire hu say in fa ba bi adu ni de ya bo omo ache ya mo ahome 45 minutes yeah, sportsmanship. The shows that love on the mom. They are my country. Ghana, you can't team more the best medicine. Kotokone has and a more Konyano. After 45 minutes, the Martenchi still and who enter on the air. Yeah, they won't move you. Introduce you play, and they Farouk Adams Bermum 45 minutes. Okay, you know, 2 minutes time, they will go for the day. Martenchi by in a boy 11-11. Yeah, last second goal.
Deɛ ka me pabusa ne sɛ maestro ka enno akotoko mo ne kotoko boyi a mo decide sɛ mo mo 11 against 10 because per deɛ o kan che sɛ baby akotoko ko fire no ma bre ne ade etika ye bo game na nka bia kotoko nya red card a ka mo so boyi player bia fimam na ye 9 against 9 na
nke be decide ye do anka be cross bridge no ye bia na ye refer to FIFA formula no re dey football no and re dey adwuma na in Kenya, more I think you bit my the man my home find there because now you know and I sympathize with them. Baby, I'm going to fire any late your mobile or Mudu Park, ya best at 2:15 p.m. No, ne having it now. Ilio Adebia said the boy, one of the options possible. Okay, my
I see. Say after victory Nigeria ba Aduana Stars mo komanim mo subsequent games e gumanim no mo boam ho se kwan bia so metimi age league
na league ni ya nkan ba bia say pe league na age because your project ya ye no we team structure na apart from say register female players no okay you register young guys verse 13 na e be a division 2 player e be a coach player and e be a division 1 player with division 2 na na kwa chane tintia one for team in league ya one we na by expectation no player development no be say no enti match bia introduce back no one guy Kofigo Brabi no or a division 2 player and no botia kotoko our ball good 35 minutes ya obia who say yes na mo de bon was so the match bia introduce plan back the time credit no na ka se onje league ya one we na want to one development no this year target ya na say you be say ya position a Sefata Gina Football Club Abusiano.
Okay, Maestro. Ebrenin team Mami Musa we da be no Aduana Stars mo appoint a substantive coach.
Na kwasem nyina ne say nkomodi akoso. Ene coach Bibri akasa. Including Pakwasi Fabian. Oya nkomodi akọ animu na we are hoping the nkomodi ekoso nra ne na no. Meaning say by the close of this week, you know, a bit man name your coach and name your coach here, because if they've been LED the race. But Yadia, you did no crack and a man for Canano. I got 1 or 2 teams here as in a year young out. Said the coach here, or bit tonight, and the blue tando, I get to my teams, Papa, because I got the blue tando, I know, last V. What my second what my semi-diama, or I had Diablo Sopra, the coach here, or another carbon Najmano.
Aside Pakwasi no why you bold to me about Pakwasi the other coaches in Hamo.
Also Pakwasi no for now no on any club be this year. Other coaches now yeah can be and do handle premier club or 3 of them handle top teams be more Ghana but or more under contract. It you know no money can say be and can keep kakra because almost is a man lucrative. It is almost successful a jumana nanka so be ultimate declare omo akwakweti omo djuma na omo ye no but here e kokana say omo anya successful here Angia na hon so bia na bomo.
Sade nkomodie isi ko ne ade dem se pa akosi ya na mo next coach.
Ya hiri nyambe but nkomodie akwa ni mu aka kakra ina mo mpa se kakra aka no ebetima ko benkro mu.
All right. Maestro mami fonsia nyame admo be sa kasa bi why. All right. Ivan Sopon, Maestro, Diana Stars, PRO, and I need in common. But BYT, Mekobi, but before Mekobi on Otobo,
player na make us a Wakabe, Lawrence Amankwa.
Because he saw him Shamu. Yeah, you are penny Shamwa, no, Yajmo, Capita, Fox FM, and Hello FM. He was sending me message, say, player na
Lawrence Amankwa.
I was in Lawrence Amankwa, not Lawrence Annan. And also, secondly, it was not Constance Mante who kept the put for Kotoko. Was it Kotoko keeper for that said match was Michael Abu. Wasn't it Michael Abu? And no Ayadi Shamuso de Bay. And see, Obi, my Mobi Mrem, Kakama Mobi Mrem. Obi, then we had one simple in a course. As a Diana for
BYT, a sipe, 10-10.
The year when he said, we need 90 minutes. Your friends are 45 minutes. Yeah, auntie, and no money yet. You can crap.
It was Chelsea in my born and say I'm rich. Na Kovacic age na bench no warm me up. Na United so I will play on no sujina touchline no so warm me up. Assembly nyina na say obi am pese 11 players be si akare.
But how the course no so game name so same people so obi kotopo
na be Keita. Na who say Nate Christopher Nate will be share enum. Where's we pa.
So no so na ya twen ne fa ho na go ni buy no.
But na Misuruma because say also the idea koto park so. Na the na se wonum.
Na the relation is
na be Keita. No, once navigate the Okojonso, but we didn't or the other senenum. At a point, also one cassa. Any two Facebook live
2005
and that Facebook
2005 Kotokonia's good. Ewo Obuasi. Sana Komnado Jiko Yebia, okay, say, Omudu Kuboku crowd a pine chima. Will free bone him. Someone Douglas and Command said, only go Markotoko.
Christopher Nata, the end of the Hono. A Diana Stars for no years, someone penny, Emane, what with the yellow card. I didn't so went to me and found to we are sad Yashunum. Now they say, I'm Pim da Costa Geo. What did you Pim da Costa today? I was seen him in Kutan. And you could tell who baby or the idea. I know this. How this one like Aburia? No, today.
Honestly, some will be no. I'm a comboy with some will be.
It shall be well. Mrano Law train no chen Maminka say a match is played between two teams, each with a maximum of 11 players. One must be a goalkeeper. A match may not start or continue if either teams have fewer than 7. So the bottom line is 7 players. And in Team Ranimno, and of course I was say IFAB for no sure mumranim including FIFA because situations be say because will be take there's a lacuna running for be lacuna law mo can be lacuna a kind that mranim inti wa opebia no for whichever reason you can decide to play with not less than 7 but not less than 7 of course but not less than 11 but not more than obetumi about with not less than 7, but you can play. You obey me about with more than 7, because any specific reason. So the entire players me anyway and I'm some person on bench. And Timrano Biemusa mobile to me the obepe or the openti I was say in penny for no move because there should be reasons why. Sadie we say because when reasons why a team will start with like 10 players. I go now. Yes, ball no be dressing room afe na oye ne hu Guyana. There are certain situations are possible. So wait me start a game with 10 or with more than 7 or less than 11 players in a single game. But I think I for now some who senya Sadia no bit me akọ. But most importantly, the reputation of the individuals involved and our clubs, for example, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Why not this idea ni buy? Say Kotoko more with 10 players, and I starting with 10 because what I hear and say starting war
tunnel nim.
Okay.
Star Times cameraman ni alert you almost say mre yaso. Unfortunately Kotoko maybe a Kotoko fire no. Omo Drew Stadium, Kotoko Drew Stadium no na Aduana Stars fire warm up query. Inti Kotoko Drew ya no na was saying 10 times so because Mrano Chess at least I was all War Stadium about 2 hours before the start of a game. I could drew and not just say some reno minti one of this idea any buy a banner sign and nipa no this idea any buy to me convincing Maxwell Kunedu as the coach of the team, just a top coach our memoir say as a coach and the technical head of no mean club like Kumasi. Look, I don't mean per se me dey Aduana Stars need W.O. Tando because W.O. Tando the last match our Gina touchline and game a course against Kumasi and Kotoko. In fact, or warrant officer one into a soldier ni and a coach into our professions me into no crown you can pardon him because oh maybe on your fit to become on your license be no mano and manakonya say on your Premier League coach into no and of course yeah can't Kumasi and Kotoko ni Aduana obi abeje atum say Kotoko ni kuma any team who are a friend of Aduana Stars into in terms of the reasonable man standard. Say odi ususua then I was a Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye na then I was a Aduana Stars even in these circumstances and nipa bakwa of course you better management should role on play because we are management member now to stance mu but say Kotoko Ash Gold Mediama obi so sa free team no sa catch so mum packet ewo baby na team no nante emfa wiaso nante nko park ne so in stadium e na ko kaka chom say da bi Kotoko brand no baby aduru no sa nyoma bi say no anya ade so ani to your management member na was stance nim na wo share ade ko so enura na e wo sanka na no pe ya no nipa ne bebredi o madwuma to ho nipa ne bebredi o ma animguase no nye Kotoko kuo ne nko a Asanteman ne Ghana man nyina no. So far as you chef footballers, you know, because and to be very frank with that, I mean, TSS Maxwell Kunedu as a manager of the team, went to me and chillem on when voice no. Elikando Bisa and I say no comment. I can't.
What's to me explain?
Oh, to me explain is saying, team na born now kwa kobono nyawu team Maxwell Kunedu inti ni ebo match no. Nipa be Brahman on ne Ghana ha hwe. At the end of the day, you lost.
Oh, I know be able to say. A
ban no Kotoko lost. I really don't know what happened out there. But I hear say Yaya Mohammed, and I realize also on the Aduana Stars on the DH Elvis ne dia nimu. Into you know DH no kan ye no na kan ni pattern. And no draw match commissioner no because that time na match na di kan oh baby substituting better no we dey catch them
there's no tra technically
or what not bench for him so there is a bench for him dikai eti Kotoko so 9 players 1 goalkeeper omotwe ya later calling some ya obeshem and omohwe list news that there be am ya odinim intine wo say Martin Antwina obi a 190 free dugout tunnel nim abe drew touchline who drew touchline also when ya problem enti Maxwell Kunedu buabuan no na otwi mu nyina for game against Aduana no nim so the 10 players le kwakobo
and na odwen ho
because people make argument say okay enya draw some tactical because sometimes you can win a game if our teams perform better with 10 players. Yes, I was what is unya red card
but I did Obi
let me check you just say agsm animguasia pa gofon de gu no. But nipa bakwana minim sankobe make so much of a difference in Maxwell Kunedu. Because from 2011 to 2019, Black Stars a hon waye adwuma. 8 good years. And so your coach na ujina baby Maxwell Kunedu level no wona. Oh ma bibi affect one kasa. Premier League coach bi na me ni di nkomo. Omo ko bobo baby. And our supporters ne say Bass ne kwa ansa no bedru kuro no. The last junction before Chrono Mukwakobo Bono and Ukoko, and come the supporter be at na bass nim. Not team ni drew on my packet, na Ngukoko, or Mushia good junction. So, and a coach the catch of the Samupa say, Mushia Muni good junction, so any Mumuni kind. in terms of mood Ghana football there. I say stories no dos do and son on bedroom junction so omu say support that's ni jina order that in terms of bus in bedroom no and then one omu fie and then one be buka no what faka I just say uko hwe. Oh my goodness. There's a big problem.
We need almost a direction. I didn't know going to
you know, direction ba and it's affected team no. And Maxwell Kunadu to revive game what TV so. Baby a level drew. And unfortunately Kotoko lost the game. Oh. Yes, Kotoko winning you. Whichever way oh yeah biano. Amani pa bebre na shasia dwe nyoma bi ho. Felix Anantra or Tibenchi. Just a situation where I'm so be them baby. I'm so much of not on the airline up in the man. I mean, it makes sense because baby who drew Maxwell Kunadu. Black Stars qualifies 4 matches on and on yet. Yeah. Would be a word drinking near Maxwell Kunadu Kwalana dia. Say your foul say coaching instructor. I could be sounds a dent in about 10 men now. Maxwell Kunadu, what will you tell the person?
Also him.
Also him. It's Maxwell dear. Just say Hanan never funny normal, but he should be. I can name said Dr. Chesu the movie there because I didn't too much. Just say a broso, a bros, and Guasiana broso, a broso. Baby, I befe biano or background on pebble crowd churches. Hey. Inti be down. What? Nana open Google. Team plays with 10 men. Unya example biawo baby. Just a be white man who says NIBC way back involving these two sides.
You class Shamo class 2001. Chasalo tennis no drew Ibeno lasted just 10 minutes. And I got to win 2-0.
Yeah. Sir. So boy, you know,
10 minutes cannot be just.
Match in and Kamodi winning Confederations Cup be. And now I know there's no what they did is out of this. And Maxwell Kunadu should I was all my answers. I was all to me my answers. I was all to me my answers.
And Madame Fubi no he game no Italy. No so ne na bro Fubi the next game no. And a commentator the car say 2 teams you know at the 10th place neighbor because of superstition. Or say Abrofro no more game no were surprised. Bisane say really no e Ghana ni na waje kotoko ho a no ne Abrofro no game no. Or say osini trash saa ko we game no point he was so much ashamed. On Ghana how Otinabro chiri eno hebo and my friend kotoko ne bobo no me hwebi. The biggest club, the Africa club of the century. Yeah, Jake Champions League one Ghana say the best team in Ghana. Waje watch Abrofi. So the first time Abrofi no kotoko game no, and then go see omudi no. The first time
10 against 10.
The first time. No we no. Minim say kotoko phone check here. They are losing so much followers on Twitter.
But the unim, I also yama man 40 as technically idea kotoko ne Diana Stars here no. Okombre ma omumfum.
But common sense.
But there must be reasonable reasons in terms of starting with less number of players. If you bet 8 are starting on Tomra, you bet 7 are starting on Tomra. But the reasons must be justifiable. There must be something reason be a amount say be me place be there must be reasons.
Yeah.
And for a coach to be able to tell us that on team into the 10 place crash it is not acceptable. You must be able to give reasons. My reasons say any sentina be a 10 place start here. There must be reasons. And I got to go again and accommodate 8 place start here. And I'll change the more reason to come for Asumwa. But just say come for bit to be complaining. But we are there without any reason whatsoever. And my I got for ya I just reho. ABS pay. But I think so we grow with age. Now I demand so say dey be here in 10 years ago na unya bim.
Oh David, say bibia.
So reflect here. We grow with age. As time progresses, you know, you begin to realize say be me atwam no, say me di nkwase asem. So whilst we are growing, who said never be brother who said here. So even though it has happened before, your reflection, your reflective wants to say, Sabi is a moon. And at this time in age, dear. I think you see a dear free day see him saying, Kimi, and you be muda. And yet, now my greater disappointment is Coach Masoknadu.
Interestingly enough, no. Now Biana for crying in Kotoko started 11 before the game.
Somebody
aware. Ni mama red team ni mu. Now chairman NCC chairman
Christopher Damina
Cobron region. Now I feel now call a press conference. Orlando and an microphone size of trailing no. They knew intelligence no. I was no Orlando Wakoya press conference. Amaya who said chairman Orlando or Domao. They told themselves never again. Second call, but now results of Menyano. A best Sibium. And the entire or the Flavio. Any Evans, Elvis Opoku boy, and he said, Omun say Habib in China or Babicha. Into Omun movie born faster, a baby Tino. And now could continue and dominate his army for even with Habib. It was just a emphatic. Now, William Opoku Mensan, we are sure said or no, or we are sure so a footballer.
Are they also footballer?
William Opoku Mensan. That be me sure. Mumisam, or boys now, Karela. Coach Johnson Smith buy or do you buy or no quack? Wait.
So, Enra on Twitter. We say so next time the axe Kotoko management and I say coach say play without the goalkeeper. What do you do?
I tell me because
the man information say on button against 11.
Some formation so for 10 players. Any panel catches on dropping Felix.
So they say
I'm telling you.
So next time, Obi,
the next time person is doing that.
The danger here is that next time you tell us start the game the goalkeeper.
Maxwell Kunedo, what will you do? The tactics no all man for who you because
they say Obi and any other coach Biabe Krana should not come from Maxwell Kunedo because level now what drew there. Can he do this at the national team? See the Black Stars are showing us a blast Kobo game. Obi Africa say game no fa they trenching near more than against 11 first 20 minutes. Will he do that?
Interestingly enough, Oza Ufri Dumu Bar. Quite them. But we almost have far back door. Omufa Brekum, Kofa Drobo, Kofa Jine, Kofa Kwesi Buokrum, Kofa Botokrum, Ekofa Bebianiha. And didn't just say. No matter what do pa Jidia Nipawo Mui as a coach. Ne play Ampim da Costa for example. Na Nabiketa no chia wa 15,000 Ghana cedis. Don na unya bi mo. Kedi ono so ejina po achi. Ade live on TV.
Me who say okwa Twitter so me say Abdul Fattah Shafiu tweet.
Oh na me ka in a tweet.
Na Sadiq Adams so respond here.
Ni tweet no Twitter. Me so say if good for radio.
But me interested in Sadiq Adams here no. I said they only think about just the 3 points, but not the future of the players or tomorrow.
I said 3 points in Grand Sama.
Christopher Norton was all called dentist.
Abdul Fattah Udin. Say meaning say if it is good for radio, and
so between the Serbia to no.
Sabi make
or say 21st century football.
Chill. On say someone Fattah also tweet on Twitter. He so much love Asante Kotoko.
Yeah.
Since Ofri Kotoko din nyina, na Kotoko bobo bia na.
Or tweet say ka coach
is in support of Asante Kotoko. He so loves Asante Kotoko.
Yeah.
And
he looks so disappointed.
Christian, they have and say Obia onim story we mu yie nim say Kotoko na share problem na say e wa bia na.
Of course.
No man, management. Man Dr. Kwame Che should call his boys to order. Just say a brufu the omoye no enu echi ya also ye stadium ye mini pitch bi ntiaman for ye just kakra mra na wo kwa ko bobola hwe de wo records out say o dey
obi kura twema adwene si bibi so say ya nya careful a da ko yetikure yi mu na team bi asore say okobo with 7 players
only reason
bia
10th November 2011 Onkai Cape Coast House Dwarfs Basel has in use 9 players so Yuri Asante ne Matmotu kwade e possible not stance him Emma unim say asem say has born 9 against 11 later on Yuri Asante bem ne ka Matma and Rasis Mala di red card Matma be ka man 11 odi red card na afa aye numerical advantage you call the Mahas no and Duas she go no John Atta. So Duas won that match 2011-12 season. Minimum so that famous match now. Yes, started na Uri Asante, delete Uri Asante, and Mahatma.
Say they are so cannot do technical report. Match report.
There's a drone as say more
since they started Ghana Premier League, Kotoko Grand League go domanda. The last time Kotoko share go
NC tournament
league and Kotoko share go to
9 visits ni normal lusu.
What did 11 players kwa win share go da. 11 players kwa win share go da.
Papa was
the reasons they are giving to us are laughable. You can enforce it, but them ni edenim obi ujare. Na but then be you ntuma. For the genuinity. When na sabi mo adwen yepe. The reason they are giving to us also laughable.
Coach say there are off-field issues and on-field issues in the internet also drop any day.
And next time think I got to go the red card and go to be player free.
What's what GBBD?
That time I this have been say munu. 10 players na start game.
And okay, Oma Guye no man. Say Biana started with 11.
Yeah, e be cry.
Oma you mo film. I dey na this 11 players start here.
E be kwa nko mo share go no kwanta.
Get that numerical advantage. Fashion
Christian.
Now so the player back what trying because of
good sportsmanship.
Manchester also obviously maintenance player back what it doesn't make sense to anybody.
So we are university cry 20 or 50 years. Now could din Samonia yet me withdraw certificate to school ho. My name is CAF Berry Draw Club club of the then there is a century because ANC and Maxwell could not do reputation brand Africa where she Niniano. Say no tactics.
But they want to say league started see about week 11. Kotoko negative publicity.
It's too much.
11
matches negative publicity.
Too much.
Somebody must show leadership
too
and
much.
call this to
too
order
much.
because
too much.
It does not augur well for Asante Kotoko because of the reputation.
Yeah, boy, 11 matches.
Let me call me Jesse Japan, head of marketing. How would you go sell? Adiana ye niska womna ye obi e press e kwa koton. Also to me the templates bobo. Na player jina ho na adene ba TV so kra na che say san e tankra. Some match when you say start times, meaning some be say you be o mama for area. Na wo na biketa. Now we are hono now. They have to respect that Santimayo. I was some respecting Ghana football. I was oh goodness me, these guys. They just say
landing game somebody tell myself not to say landing game for 9 players as here. He will oblige and start the game 9 players.
Okay, landing. Time no ko in common so doors but the China Babet na say Friday into ba and say me be san so ewuram na yemfa aseden bi ema 1xbet.com am ka ho bi and ye dey play off yi e dey eba o say me kan jo say brene matches so UEFA Europa League matches so ho it is no bebet and what you see 1xbet.com Radiant Beam Company Limited say so open electrical cables and I say Bozan Techie cables ni bia obetimi dia wire